And the rough early lead is taken by Kim Possible from the outside. Royal Fair and his Speedy Kim Reyes Gold. Super Elegant and Cool Town is bringing up the rear. Heading for the backstretch, it is still Kim Possible by 3.5 lengths. Speedy Kim running in second. Royal Fair on the outside, and Reyes Gold by the rail in fourth. Super Elegant and Cool Town. Into the backstretch, Kim Possible by 2.5 lengths, followed by Speedy Kim in second. Royal Fair running in third by half a length on the outside, and running in fourth by 3.5 lengths. Entry number 1, Reyes Gold, Super Elegant and Cool Town. Nearing the far turn, it is still Kim Possible in the lead. It's Kim Possible in the lead, followed now by Royal Fair in second by 2.5 lengths, and Speedy Kim moving up on the inside. Reyes Gold, Super Elegant and Cool Town. Rounding the far turn, it is still Kim Possible by 4 lengths, followed by Royal Fair in second, and Speedy Kim, Super Elegant, Reyes Gold by the rail. At the last bend for home, it is still Kim Possible by 6 lengths, followed by Royal Fair and Speedy Kim, Super Elegant moving up on the outside, and Reyes Gold by the rail. At the top of the stretch, it is still Kim Possible, followed by Super Elegant on the outside, and Reyes Gold by the rail. And nearing the pay line, it is still Kim Possible in the lead. Super Elegant is Speedy Kim, but it's still Kim Possible in the lead, followed by Super Elegant on the outside. It is still Kim Possible. And finally, the horse of Nardinabal, Kim Possible, Super Elegant, Speedy Kim,